There are two types of programming languages. Number one, problem oriented languages or high level languages like Fortran, Basic, Pascal, etc. Number two, machine oriented languages or low level languages like assembly language, machine language, etc. C is a language that stand in between these two types and is often called a middle level language as it was designed to have the positive point of both the types of languages. One of the unique features of the C programming language is the way it handles the use of available memory. Unlike other programming languages, C gives the user the freedom to place the variables in a particular memory locations. Taking advantages of this feature, the programmer can write faster executable code and remove runtime error very easily. However, the source code of C needs to be compiled using a C compiler before it can be used. C is a programming language that was developed at AT and T's Bell Laboratories in USA in 1972. It was designed and written by Dennis Ritchie, and it slowly replaced other contemporary languages like PLI, ALGOL, Pascal, and APL. Since then, C has become a popular programming language and it is reliable, simple, and easy to use. The origin of C is closely tied to the development of Unix operating system. Originally implemented in assembly language. Assembly language may also be called symbolic machine code. On a PDP-7 by Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson incorporating several ideas from colleagues, where PDP-7 was a mini computer produced by Digital Equipment Corporation as a part of PDP series. Eventually, they decided to port the operating system to a PDP-11. Thomson desired a programming language to make utilize for the new platform. At first, he tried to make a Fortran compiler, but soon he gave up the idea. Instead, he created a cut-down version of the recently developed BCPL system programming language. The official description of BCPL was not available at the time. B was designed for recursive, non-numeric, machine-independent applications such as system and language software. Sir Thomson modified the syntax and developed in B language, but B could not take advantages of PDP-11 features. In 1972, Sir Ritchie started to improve B, which resulted in creating a new language C. The C compiler and some utilities made with it were included version 2 Unix. At version 4 Unix, released in November 1973. By this time, the C language had acquired some powerful features such as structure type preprocessor or was introduced around 1973. 1978, Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie published the first edition of C programming language. This book, known to C programmers as KNR, served for many years as an informal specification of the language. The version of C that describes in commonly referenced to as KNR-C. The second edition of the book covers the letter NCC standard. In early version of C, only functions that return types other than int